Welcome to Chamber Chat. I'm Cheryl Dietrich, president of the De Pere Area Chamber of Commerce in De Pere, Wisconsin. Manufacturing as an industry continues to be a massive employer in the United States. Despite losses over the last decade, the industry employs 11.7 million people nationwide, and the jobs are good ones, with the average hourly manufacturing wage paying $23.45 per hour. According to current and potential green jobs in the U.S. economy study prepared for the United States Conference of Mayors and the Mayors Climate Protection Center, 4.2 million jobs will be created over the next 30 years in just 4 areas of green jobs: renewable power generation, residential and commercial retrofitting, renewable transportation fuels, and the engineering, legal, research, and consulting that supports them. Wisconsin has long been a major player in manufacturing, and our area is home to many of these manufacturers. Megtec Systems is one of the largest employers in De Pere and is also a leader on the national and international stage in green energies, receiving awards from both the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and recently the Battery Show in San Jose, California. I'm very pleased to have as my guest today Dr. Mohit Uberoi. He is president and CEO of Megtec Systems, a global industrial equipment supplier to the energy storage, solar, environmental, and printing industry. Dr. Uberoi holds undergraduate and doctoral degrees in chemical engineering. He started his career in research and development at W.R. Grace & Company and has been employed with Megtec since 1997, where he has held research, business development, and general management positions. I'm very pleased to have you here today. Thank you for coming in. I know you just returned to town recently.
It's a pleasure to be here today, Cheryl.
Thank you. Megtec's an important employer in our community, and I've, of course, kept up with what you guys are doing, and through Mary Van Vonderen, who's on our board, and as we were just talking about.
She does a great job.
She is just a dynamo, and when she sent me the your information on the EPA award that you received, and we'll talk a little bit about that, and then your new award for your battery for the lithium-ion technology, it's amazing to me that in De Pere, Wisconsin, these types of things are going on, and what I think is probably most people have no idea what's happening right here, and so I like to feature our not only our employers but our really innovative industries that are happening here. So, some questions for you. First,
sure.
Give me a brief history of Megtec. I know it's been around a while.
Yeah, Megtec's actually been in this community for almost 40 years.
Wow.
We started out as Tech Systems. A lot of people in the area probably know us as Tech because that's where the company started. Again, the company started by a few entrepreneurs who had an idea about some drying technology that was used in paper mills. So they started going and finding new applications for their technology. And the company continued to grow. It has gone through a couple of ownership changes over the past few years, but really the business grew, and in 1997 the company decided that it wanted to grow global. So we went out to Europe and we did some acquisitions there, and since then we've also expanded to Asia. So really, what does Megtec do? People always want to know.
Yes.
And Megtec really is an industrial machinery manufacturer, as you described to us before. And we have 3 major businesses that we focus on. One is our advanced material business, which is generating a lot of interest these days because we're making some machinery that's being used to make batteries for electric cars. Our second business focuses on the environmental side. We help clean up air emissions from a lot of different industries and helping to reduce greenhouse gases and, really focusing on the environment. And our third business is our printing business, which is the legacy business where the company really started. Still very strong and still a substantial part of our overall business. So we're really, been part of the De Pere community for a very, very long time.